Vilamoura Marina at night. Is it worth visiting in July? Let's take a walk and check it out. Let's go. Check that yacht out, guys. How the other half live, eh? Beautiful. Let's see how busy it is. Well, it's Thursday, 3rd of July. It's about 10 p.m. A nice 25 degrees. A little bit of a breeze. Oh, that boat's stunning. So we've got the rare wood-fired grill. Quite a few people in there. Well, the last time we were here, it was in April in the evening. It's way more busier than it was then. Got the Fairways Steakhouse. Then next to that we've got the 19th hole. I think we might have some live music on there. Have to just stay a little bit away from that. Speak over it. There's plenty of people in there. Got pool tables. Nice pint of Guinness in there as well. So it's one of about 8 Guinness bars along the marina. Next door we got the Chinese Zuyi. And last time we came, this wasn't open. But it was a nice restaurant, plenty of people eating in there. There's a view across the marina. That's where we'll probably end the walking tour. Directly opposite there. And we've got another Chinese restaurant. Thai. There's a few people in there. Well, I know we've got some of our viewers, they're either here on holiday right now, or they're coming in the next few days. And another bit of a weather warning. Today's been pretty nice today, only like in the lower 30s, but I believe over the weekend again, it's going to get to that horrible temperature of the 40s, which it hit last weekend and Monday and Tuesday. Gelato pizza and pasta. And we've got the El Matador bar there. I always keep walking past that and miss it. Some of our viewers have said it's a great bar. I've never actually had a drink in there. There's not very many people in there. Right, I've never been in there. I'll have to check that one out. It's a little bit hidden.
We're not going right now.
People being pressured to come in and eat. Got Pizza Hut there. Never ever been in there. Got the Indian Gandhi Palace. I have eaten in there many years ago. There's a couple of Indians, there's another one here. The Mughlai clay, also eaten in there. There's not many Indian restaurants I haven't eaten in, to be fair. You know, it's my favourite cuisine. So we've got the official ticket office for all your tours, cruises, got the parasailing, fishing trips. I think that'd be a nice one to do, that, a nice little fishing trip. Lots of music in the background there. Got the Força Portuguese sports shop. I think we've got O'Shea's up there. Some live music on as I walked past it before. You've got the Old Navy. Never eaten in there. And to be fair, I've never really seen many people in there. Must have come in at the wrong times. The Häagen-Dazs ice cream parlour. I think this was Seti Figo's. Still don't know what's happening with it. It's still all boarded up, so I can't see what's behind there. There's a couple of bars just up here on my left that are pretty reasonable prices actually for Vilamoura. You can do like dish of the day for €8 and €9. This is the Mayflower. This isn't one of them. I think it's the next two after this. I think one's called Bar. We've got another Thai restaurant there, the Mai Thai. That looks really nice actually, that one. We've got live music. This might be the Masters Bar. This is the Masters Bar where they do very good lunch menus, €8 to €9. Always very busy, as you can see. They do happy hour. Yeah, it's really nice in here actually. You don't get ripped off there. I mean, a lot of the places are very expensive on the marina. There's another spicy Thai fusion. I'll have to give that one a go. And I think that's the, is that the Atlantic Bar up there? I think it is, yeah. Next to another Irish pub. Live music on up there. I'll just pop up and show you the Irish bar. And I actually tried to film the Atlantic Bar last time I was here. Whoa! Bloody hell. Someone just fell off the skates there. Bit of an accident. Yeah, they've got the music blaring out in there. So I won't go, but that's a very, very busy bar. From 10:30 till 2:30. Mona Lisa, live band. Yeah, they've got all the big screens for the football. The Sola Italia and Pizzeria restaurant. So drop us a message in the comments below if you, if you like it busy. So there's the terrace of the Italian Sola Italia. Yeah, there is a chain of those around. They're very popular. I've not eaten him on yet though. The Golden Harp. It's rocking in there. Live music on as well. Well guys, let me know if you like it busy like this or you prefer it a little bit more quiet. Past couple of occasions I've been here, it's been very quiet. So it is nice to see a bit of life. You got Luna Rossa, it's the wood-fired oven. Italian pizza. Limpara, that's supposed to be a very nice restaurant. We have done a couple of food reviews on the restaurants around here. One of them is called The Haven, which I'll point out to you in a minute. Another Italian, La Fragata. Then we've got O Marisco, a typical Portuguese restaurant. That's supposed to be really nice as well. Sound that fountain sounds really nice. Smile Marina. So a row of shops. Yeah, this end's very busy. This is one of the restaurants we're coming up to that we've done a food review on. If you'd like to check our channel out, have a little watch to see if it's something you'd like to try. Food's amazing in there actually. The only downside is it's one of the very few restaurants that don't have a terrace along the water. And there's our waiter, I'll just pop over to him. Sandeep, he didn't notice me. This is another very popular bar. It's called the Brewery. Oh, they got live music on. In fact, I think I know the guy that sings actually. He's actually one of our subscribers. Yeah, very popular busy bar that. I'll have to speak up just in case they've got a copyright. Don't want to be getting copyright restriction on our channel. Got the can't even speak again. El Patron Mexican restaurant. So there's the terrace to the El Patron restaurant. Another one of my favorite cuisines is the Mexican. Anything with spices in is for me. And this restaurant here, we've also reviewed this one. It's a really nice restaurant. It's more high-end. The quality of the food is excellent. It's a little bit more pricey than some of the others I've shown you. So you can either sit inside with the air conditioning, or they've got a lovely terrace overlooking the marina. Yeah, highly recommend. If if you like good quality food, try that place out, guys. A marina, Italian ice cream. We've got the hole-in-one. Not too busy. There's more people on the terrace overlooking the marina there. We've got O'Neill's. Oh, it's not very busy, but it says live music tonight. Must start later. Obviously a lot of people are still eating at the moment, so I would imagine 11 o'clock-ish get a lot more busy once everyone's finished the meals. Akvavit, this restaurant here is supposed to be a really nice restaurant. This one's on our to-do list as well. It's got some really good reviews. And another restaurant with a beautiful view of the marina. I can't remember what nationality that is now. I think it might be Swedish, I think. And we've got another Irish bar, Murphy's, which has undergone some major construction over the winter. They've made the outside terrace a lot nicer with huge screens. And then we've got all the stalls there where you can book all your trips, like to Benagil Caves, fishing trips, sunset cruise. Just take one last little look of the marina, with the glimmering lights in the background and the Tivoli Hotel. So if you like it in July, this busy, guys, just drop us a message in the comments below and let us know. If you've liked this little walk-in tour of Vilamoura Marina at night, hit that like button, and if you'd like to see more of our videos, smash that subscribe button, guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Ciao for now.